Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas and welcome back to Talk and Tale with Tom. I'm Tom.
And I'm Maya. We're so excited to be here today because Christmas is near, and we're going to talk about traditions, personal stories, famous people, and even teach you some English phrases you can actually use.
You know, Maya, I still remember the first time we met, 10 years ago at a school Christmas party. We were in the same class.
Oh, yes. I remember when you spilled your drink on your jacket, and I couldn't stop laughing for the rest of the party.
Hey, that jacket was classic. But well, that's how our friendship started. Remember the Christmas craft we made together?
Yes, I made a paper star, and you tried to make a snowman, but it looked more like a snowball.
Exactly. But even then, I felt we made a great team. And now, 10 years later, we're talking to listeners all over the world about Christmas. Did you know that Coca-Cola helped make Santa's red suit famous?
Really? I always thought Santa had a red suit from the beginning.
No. Before Coca-Cola, Santa wore green, brown, and even blue suits. But Coca-Cola's ads with red made it iconic.
Wow, imagine Santa in blue. Would kids even recognize him?
Not at all. And here's a funny question. Do you think Coca-Cola employees actually drink soda on Christmas? Or just water?
Maybe just water. Or tea? I really don't know.
Listeners, you can guess too. Take a moment and answer. Do you drink soda on Christmas or something else?
Now, let's learn the most practical English phrases and questions you might hear or ask during Christmas.
First, the basic greetings. Merry Christmas, classic and simple.
Next, Happy Holidays, a bit more general for anyone celebrating in December.
When giving gifts, you can say, I got you something for Christmas.
And if someone gives you a gift, you can say, thank you, that's so thoughtful.
Some questions you'll often hear at Christmas. What are your Christmas plans? Do you like giving gifts or receiving them? What's your favorite Christmas food? Are you going to travel or stay home for the holidays?
And sample answers. I'm going to bake cookies and watch Christmas movies. I love giving gifts more than receiving them. My favorite food is gingerbread cookies. I'm staying home and celebrating with my family.
Imagine you're Christmas shopping. You might ask, excuse me, do you have Christmas wrapping paper? How much is this ornament? Can you help me find a gift for a 10-year-old?
Now, let's practice some practical English for Christmas. I'll answer some common questions you might hear or ask. Let's start. Are you ready? Here we go. What do you usually do on Christmas Eve?
I usually spend Christmas Eve with my family.
Do you decorate a Christmas tree at home?
Yes, we decorate a Christmas tree at home.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
My favorite song is Jingle Bells.
Do you watch Christmas movies? Which one?
I watch Christmas movies, especially Home Alone.
Do you send Christmas cards to friends?
Yes, I send cards to my friends.
What's your favorite Christmas food?
My favorite food is gingerbread cookies.
Do you like giving gifts or receiving them more?
I love giving gifts more than receiving them.
Who do you usually spend Christmas with?
I spend it with my family and close friends.
Have you ever been to a Christmas market?
Yes, I visited one last year. It was beautiful.
Do you prefer a real or artificial Christmas tree?
I prefer a real Christmas tree. It smells amazing.
What's your favorite Christmas decoration?
I love the Christmas lights the most.
Do you like singing Christmas carols?
Yes, I enjoy singing carols with my family.
Have you ever built a snowman?
Yes, many times when I was a kid.
What's the best Christmas gift you've ever received?
The best gift was a handmade sweater from my grandmother.
Now, what do you think about you asking a few questions?
Yeah, that's great. I agree. I'm ready. You can start.
All right, done. What's the best gift you've ever given?
I once gave my friend a custom photo album. It was very special.
Do you like Christmas lights?
Absolutely. They make everything feel magical.
Do you wrap gifts yourself or buy them wrapped?
I usually wrap them myself. It's fun and creative.
Do you like drinking hot chocolate during Christmas?
Yes, I drink it every year.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
Baking cookies with my family is my favorite tradition.
Do you bake cookies or cakes for Christmas?
I bake cookies, especially gingerbread cookies.
Do you hang stockings at home?
Yes, we hang stockings for everyone in the family.
Do you celebrate Christmas at home or travel?
I usually celebrate at home, but sometimes we travel.
Do you like Secret Santa games?
Yes, they are so much fun.
Have you ever made a Christmas craft?
Yes, I made paper stars and snowflakes.
Do you prefer a white Christmas or green Christmas?
I prefer a white Christmas. It feels magical.
Do you enjoy Christmas parties?
Yes, especially small, cozy gatherings with friends.
Do you like Christmas shopping?
I enjoy shopping if I can do it early and calmly.
Do you leave cookies for Santa?
Yes, I always leave cookies and milk.
Do you play Christmas games with family or friends?
Yes, we play board games every year. It's so much fun.
Now, the fun part. Famous people born near Christmas.
Really? Like who?
Isaac Newton. He was born on December 25th. Imagine kids getting presents while a physics genius was born.
Maybe he discovered gravity on Christmas Day.
Humphrey Bogart, the famous actor, was also born near Christmas.
And musicians like Annie Lennox, fans celebrate her birthday during Christmas.
Even writers and poets like Maya Angelou, whose birthday was close to Christmas and inspired millions.
Listeners, you can do something fun too. Find friends or family with birthdays near Christmas and celebrate them.
And practice English. Did you know Isaac Newton was born on December 25th? Annie Lennox's birthday is during the Christmas season.
So, Christmas is all about traditions, fun, sweet treats, and being together.
And don't forget to use all the phrases and questions you learned in real conversations.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe, like, and share it. See you next time on Talk and Tale with Tom.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
And for me too, wishing you all warmth, joy, and wonderful moments this season. A huge thank you to our amazing guest, Maya. It was such a pleasure having you with us. Take care, stay cozy, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.